Do you want more leads and sales? Then stay tuned, because I'm about to show you how to make your video school bigger than a gang of post-apocalyptic supermodels. Hi, I'm Stefan van der Vlek, and if you're like most people, I'm betting right now that getting your videos to convert feels a bit like punching yourself in the face repeatedly. Now, unless you've got a video of, or perhaps both together, then there's no easy way to stop your viewers from dropping like lemmings off a cliff, or getting distracted by the other bazillion marketing messages fighting for their attention. Doesn't it suck to spend hours upon hours to make your videos look slick, professional, only to ruin them with second-rate marketing tools which make your videos out of date and unprofessional and more like a super scam than a supermodel? Now, worst of all, even when you do manage to keep your viewers' attention, they still don't take the bait and convert. Now, with all the time, effort and expense, you still don't get the leads you deserve. It's a freaking nightmare. But you gotta ask yourself why, when it's proven beyond all doubt that a simple two-step opt-in can increase conversions by up to 785%. That video technology, which is supposed to be the future of marketing, is still far lagging behind. Now listen up, if you're currently using a video player and you want leads but you're still failing, then it sure is not your fault. The problem is simply that the video player is way out of date. Now, the obvious proof of this, if your video player was designed to convert, it'd be using two-step opt-in as a cutting-edge technology, right? I mean, come on! Just imagine the incredible list building power by putting a two-step opt-in form right there on top of the video, and then host them on a traffic pooling monster like Facebook. Instead, you are out there every single day trying to get leads, and you're again let down by another shoddy marketing software. So here's the good news. By the time you finish this video, you finally understand why you are not getting the fresh, hot and new leads you deserve on a daily basis. And you know how almost instantly change that situation for the better and save on advertising money you are already wasting. Look, getting new leads and customers is the backbone for any business. And if you're using video marketing right now to carve out your own little bit of the paradise, let me just stop here and congratulate you, because you're already doing what you need to be doing. And that's just not my opinion, it's pure math. Look, 100 internet users watch videos online every single day. And Facebook is on track delivering 2 trillion views at the end of 2015. And since last December, Facebook has now finally outperformed YouTube in terms of interactions on their videos and engagement, making Facebook the hottest platform for video out there. So what does it all mean? Well, it means video marketing is where you need to be this year through 2016 and beyond. And the smart marketers will be targeting Facebook above all else. Which is a big problem, because a lot of people are still using the crappy software that currently pollutes the market. But by watching this video, you've just gained a huge advantage over your competition. Let me just show you a couple of things social video can do.
Social video is a pro-quality video player designed from the ground up and packed with carefully selected marketing tools to create the most powerful lead capturing machine ever created for video marketers. Yeah, we've got two-step opt-ins because we want you to have the best, but that's a long way from all we've got. There are 8 different drag and drop campaigns you can easily deploy to start bringing in leads, sales and new fans today. You can use two-step opt-in campaigns to quickly build powerfully engaged email list. You can run banner campaigns to make sales directly from your videos without ever having to speak to another human being. You can keep your viewers' attention riveted on your videos and hold their hands all the way to the conversion with interactive annotations. you can funnel your prospects directly into a sales call and close new clients with ease. You can leverage the power of YouTube like playlists to build trust, authority and respect with your audience. And with the call to action campaign, you can put big buy buttons right there on the video, blocking everything and forcing them to click on your buy button. Or why not have your viewers choose their own adventure by clicking on interactive hotspots that open up a whole range, a whole new Pandora's box of powerful conversion tools. And you can even feed leads directly from Facebook into high-end webinar funnels. I mean, that's really cool. And you don't need to spend weeks, days or even hours setting up these campaigns. As a matter of fact, if you get the hang of it, it all takes less than 60 seconds. Our state-of-the-art drag and drop technology allows you to create fun, professional and devastatingly effective conversion campaigns in just minutes.
Now if that's not awesome, I don't know what is. So finally stop worrying about where your next leads are coming from and start focusing on making money. And speaking of making money, because social video is one of the only players using the bleeding edge flash technology, it's now able to set up your social video widgets right there in the Facebook newsfeed, groups and pages, pulling all sorts of traffic to your links, to your opt-in forms, anything. And savvy as you are, you probably know what that means. It's gonna save you money. Look, let me explain. If you keep the traffic inside Facebook, you are going to get a much better deal in terms of advertising costs than when you send them off Facebook. It's just how it works. So keeping this traffic inside Facebook with a cool looking video in the social video widget, but still getting the clicks and leads and sales you desire and saving money, that's just pure awesomeness. Social video frees up your time, budget and mind to focus on what's really important. Building your business and focusing on converting those leads into real customers. And right now, during this special short launch period, you can save up to 77% of your social video during our Charter Special JVZoo launch. Because when this launch is over, in a couple of weeks, we are going to charge a yearly fee. And this is just a one-time fee for you today. The price you will see today is the lowest it will ever be, and it's guaranteed with our 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. And trust me, 30 days is way more than you need in order to start pulling leads, new sales, customers and clients with social video. But if for some reason social video doesn't make your life easier, then let me know and I personally refund you every penny to your account today. Just don't miss out on this special Charter launch deal. Because once this special launch is over and you see someone else sucking up all your leads using social video, you will be slapping yourself in the head, punching yourself repeatedly in the face because you didn't take action today. Yeah? So make a wise decision and get in today. Now before you click on the buy button that's appearing right now, let me just show you how you can order your copy today.
Now all that is left for you to do is find one of the big red buttons that says Get Instant Access to Social Video Now and click on it, or alternatively click on the button that just appeared in the video. For now we're just going to click on this button right here and this will take you to a special section on the page where you can view and see which plan suits your needs. Then if you made up your mind, you click on the buy button right here. You will be redirected to the social video checkout page hosted on JVZoo. Then all you got to do is fill out your email right here. And if you're from Europe, make sure that you put your VAT number right there. And if you don't, just continue. You click on the checkout with PayPal button right there. And this will redirect you to PayPal, and this is where you can finish your order. Now with that said, you're obviously covered by our 30-day risk-free guarantee, so you got nothing to lose. I want to thank you for watching this video. I can't wait to see you using social video and hearing about your success. I will see you on the inside.